I'm gonna pour a quart of heavy whipping cream into my mixer. Mix on medium speed. Check on it after 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. It should be looking like this. Let's go for 5 more minutes. 5 minutes, it will look like this. Your butter will have separated from the buttermilk. Now that I have my butter out of the mixing bowl, I have milk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strain it. It's good for baking and it's excellent for making biscuits. Just refrigerate it and use it when you're ready. Now you're gonna remove your butter and you're gonna put it in some cold water. About 2 minutes in the water, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it in a ball and you're gonna squeeze out all the water. Just squeeze it out. I'm gonna chop up a handful of fresh parsley. So I have my butter and I'm gonna place it back in the bowl. And I'm gonna add this chopped parsley and I'll say about 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. And you're gonna go in there and just massage it. Massage it. All in the butter. Get it all massaged. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. So now, I'm going to get the parchment paper and take my butter. Once I have everything all massaged in it, and spread it out on my paper. And now, I'm getting ready to roll it. You can put it on saran wrap or parchment paper and just take it and you want to roll it and put it in the refrigerator. You just roll it into a log. You can use it with it soft already. Put it in the refrigerator until you get ready to use it. And this is my garlic butter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.